All right, about to get this thing recorded as well so we can come back to the replay. If you're seeing this on Facebook Live, go ahead and put the city, state, and country you're seeing this at. You know, right now, if you're seeing this on the replay, do me a favor and put hashtag replay for your boy, all right? So, real quick, hey, I just want to kind of go through the website, you know, what information is actually already on the website. Keeping it simple right now, of course, trade the trends. You already know what success has no limits. But one thing I want to let everybody know, Trendz Nation is not only trading, right? We do other things. That's why we say success does not have a limit, right? So there will be multiple things I'll be adding along with trading, such as crypto investing, investing in gold and silver. I'm collecting silver coins, 1 ounce coins now, because silver and gold are things that always increase in value. So that's a part of investments. Credit max, wealth max, different other things as well to understand tax deductions, how, you know, these rich people get all these tax deductions that we know nothing about, but hey, we have access to by having simple things like home-based businesses. So again, Trendz Nation is all about enriching, empowering, educating others, because the goal is Project 1K, which means to help 1,000 people or 1,000 families create an additional income of at least $1,000 per month. Okay, so we're gonna keep this ball rolling. We're gonna keep it going, y'all. So trade the trends. What success has no limits. What is Forex? Basically, this is a short video on the website that explains what is the foreign exchange market and how it works in less than 4 minutes. We then have our presentation here about how to be epic. It goes over not only how to trade, but how to utilize network marketing as well to maximize your income, right? So basically building 2 sources of income in one. Very simple. That's actually only 10 minutes. Definitely take a look. All right, we go over our mission and values. Why us, right? Our team is comprised of people with different kinds of finance experience, but we all have this thing in common, which is a commitment to ethics and integrity. Our partner company is fully licensed and credentialed, and you can count on unbiased recommendations and transparency. We are here to empower, enrich, and educate others. Absolutely. Trade the trends. Fill out this interest form and win $100. I actually need to update this. This is still going on. We just finished one. Our lucky winner, I believe her name was Keandra Harris. I want to say, I think she was out of New Jersey as well. Never met her before, took the survey. So this will be getting updated. Of course, follow us on YouTube. Here's the access to my YouTube channel where a lot of these videos get recorded and I store them there. So follow the YouTube channel. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you can get the notifications as well. So you can actually get all of that situated, okay? So looking at it here, if you want to support, here's a way you can actually support and donate through the PayPal. And the contributions will enable us to meet our goals and improve conditions. And basically, which means helps a lot of new traders as well. You know, so those who are interested in trading that may not have the funds, you know, any donation can possibly assist with helping them with whether it's a trade journal, whether it's a new notebook they may need, pen, paper, different things like that that we utilize for trading, right? Here's our active session, okay? So basically, here's how we kind of walk through setting up your trading view, right? The first one is our welcome to Trendz Nation, seeing our back office. Basically, what means how to get to all your live sessions, how to get to your pre-recorded sessions, how to get to your study hall, how to basically get everything we need that's going to come from our educational platform here. I want to say that's about 10 to 15 minutes. Also, how to set up and use TradingView. This is our free tool we use to mark up our charts that I'm going to utilize today, and also how to enter trades on the MT4 platform and how to exit trades as well, right? So these videos alone, right, that's on my website. Basically, you can see how a lot of people ask, how did I learn, right? And basically, if you go to this video that welcomes you to Trendz Nation, basically goes to the full back office walkthrough, so you can actually see the tools and resources that I'm utilizing, my educational platform that I'm utilizing to really learn the skill on an intermediate and advanced level, okay? And again, here's how to use TradingView and how to enter and exit on MT4. The reason why I put these up here, because these two things are free, okay? You can get a tradingview.com account, register, it's free. You can get a demo account on MT4, the app that's free. So you can start practicing and just dabbling around with the free material. Of course, the key thing is going to be able to, for you to actually come back, right, get the proper training and courses and get you at least a 90-day syllabus together. We have our 2-week fast start syllabus that we have together, but you want to at least commit 90 days to your classes throughout the week, right? So with the form that I have, I'm putting together, it's going to ask certain questions of, hey, will you be able to make this class 3 times a week? Will you be able to watch and study for this amount of times per week? Could you do this for 90 days? Yes, and then we create the plan and we start it for you, okay? So simple as that. Also, I had some individuals who also reached out about crypto, about Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, again, and I'm thankful last week made me over $700. Again, I do want to make this disclaimer, right? Trading is risky, right? So please only utilize risk capital, which is money that you can afford to lose in the market. That's one question I ask everyone who calls or texts or inboxes me that asks about, hey, you know, I want to learn a little bit more, but I don't want to lose. They usually say they don't want to lose. So again, my question is, okay, well, you're going to take losses. That's going to happen, right? That is what it is. That's life, right? In life, you're going to take a loss or 2 or 3, right? But one thing we should understand, that even when a recession comes, guess what? Expansion is soon to follow, right? And even when expansion comes, unfortunately, recession comes as well, right? You know, it's just like the seasons, right? We don't know why we have summer. We love summer. We don't know why we have winters. We hate winters, right? But that's life, right? We're going to have warm days. We're going to have cold days. We're going to have warm days. We're going to have cold days. That's life, right? And once you understand that mentally, it's going to help you even be more successful when it comes to trading or investing, period. And again, I utilize this platform because this is an educational platform. Yes, the educational platform is basically based on foreign currency and cryptocurrency, but the beauty of learning charts and learning the market and learning support resistance and a lot of these basic and intermediate things is that you can take it over to your stock market as well, right? You could take it over to any market that has a chart, okay? But here, this is Coinbase. So this is the link that I actually have in that I posted on my last video. So if you utilize this link, this is how it comes up on desktop. Not sure how it may look on mobile, but it's going to say you were invited to try Coinbase. Coinbase is the world's most trusted place to buy and sell crypto. This is why I utilize this, because it is the world's most trusted place, right? And hey, you know, nothing's wrong with number one, right? So this is the actual my wallet that I use. Okay, so when I send this out to you, the beauty of it is once you set up an account, and if you buy or sell $100 or more of crypto, you'll receive $10 worth of free Bitcoin, right? So say you open your account, of course you need to register and verify your information. You buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, you will automatically get $10 more worth of Bitcoin. And guess what? The beauty of using my link, I also get $10 as well for connecting you to Coinbase, okay? So that's there, your first, your last name. Of course, my information is already in here because I have an account. You'll put in your email, password, your setup, verify you're 18, you'll create an account, and then you'll be able to go through the works. But here is why it's important to actually go ahead and get started, right? Get your $100 in there, get your free extra $10, right? You're already positive, right? And then come here and earn crypto where you can get up to $132, right? By doing what? Learning about crypto. You can earn crypto while learning, right? That's why a lot of times, you know, a slogan I may use is learn and earn, right? Because if you think about the word learn, right, you can't spell learn without earn, okay? Right? So basically here, you can start earning these cryptocurrencies just by learning about them, right? So if you want to start this course on Algo, which is a blockchain platform that aims to be scalable, secure, and decentralized, you can actually earn up to $6 by taking that course. Another $6 by taking the Maker course, right? Another $6 by taking Cello course, Compound course. You can earn up to $59 a year, right? You can earn up to $50 looking at Stellar, right? Zcash, you can learn up to $5 looking at that. Kyber Network, OXT, Tezos, right? $6, right? So you can actually earn money by learning, right? And that's the beauty about crypto and this market. Hey guys, you can actually get paid and make money by doing things we do all the time. Sometimes it's reading, it's learning, right? You can earn up to $132, right? By doing it. And now guess what? You have crypto. You're creating a wallet because you learned about these cryptos, okay? And I think that's beauty of it. BAT, OX, right? You know, basically you can actually watch videos on how Coinbase works and things like that. But the goal is to also get this link. If you don't have it, go ahead and inbox me right now. And I'll make sure that I actually send that out to you personally and make sure you get set up. I have an individual right now was helping out. She was having a little trouble with Coinbase. She was letting me know. I believe she got through everything and was having issues with purchasing, right? So I have to see with the verification or the validation because you do have to be verified and get all that done properly, okay? So if you got any questions, comments, concerns in the chat, again, if you're on Facebook as well, I can actually see you on Facebook. So if you write a comment, I can see it. What's up, Jess? What's up, Ford? What's up, Tasha? What's up, Nuke? I see y'all up here, you know, so give me some likes, you know, show some love, show some comments, ask some questions, right? Please do. I know that's what we're here for. We're here to learn, okay? So here's tradingview.com. Tradingview.com is, again, free to register. You can see it says upgrade. That's if you want some additional features, but, you know, no additional features needed, you know, at this point. Once you become intermediate and advanced level, right, you may want to purchase some indicators to make your life a little bit easier. But the goal is to learn first before you start utilizing these additional things, right? So let's look at Bitcoin, right? We're here. This is basically why we're here, right? Bitcoin is going crazy. I'm hearing the news about it again. I need to get educated, but I don't know what the hell I'm looking for or where to even freaking start, right? So like I was saying, Coinbase is what I would prefer in a sense, but however, you actually, I'm not sure if anyone has Cash App. I'm pretty sure 98% of people have Cash App at this point. You can actually buy and sell crypto on Cash App. You can actually do it on PayPal now as well. Those Robinhood app, that's a good one. I like to use that app for beginner stocks as well. So again, make sure you reach out if you want to support, you know, utilize my affiliate links because a lot of times, you know, for newbies, if you get a stock, I get a free stock as well. For newbies with crypto, you spend $100, your first $100 in crypto, you get $10 of Bitcoin, and so do I. You know, just continue to support, continue to like, share, and tell people about the group and add them to the group. Of course, just reach out to me. I'll make sure I get them approved, things like that. But we want to build a community of people that are looking to do the same things and learn the same things and eventually earn outside of our 9-to-5 jobs, okay? So that's where we are. And I'm going to bring up the full featured chart because I really want to get into it and look at Bitcoin. I want to look at US30 as well because I caught a major move while I was at work today. But because I couldn't watch it, I got about $5 to $6 profit, you know, and I just took the profit. But crazy part, I probably could have been in $150 to $200 profit letting it ride. But with the volatility and I couldn't watch it like I wanted to, I just got out of the market while I was in a positive, you know, and a lot of times that happens, right? You just got to be comfortable with taking a small win, right? Rather than a big win. That's what usually messes a lot of people up. People don't like taking the small wins. They try to go for the big shebangs, and that's what usually messes them up a lot. I want to say probably messes you up a lot trying to go to the big shebang, okay? So as the chart is coming up here, I see this little buffering on Facebook. I'm going to figure out how to stream a little bit better, maybe utilize some new software, maybe just send a Zoom link because being on Zoom is a lot smoother when I'm only on Zoom, and I could probably stream to Facebook. That might work. I'll figure that out. But basically, let's look at it, okay? Because basically, as you guys can see here was my entry point on Bitcoin, right? Let me clear this up. People gonna say $700, yeah. You know, I'm about to show you exactly why, right? Why won't it let me? There we go. All right, matter of fact, I'm about to clear it all. Give me all that. Clear everything. I really didn't want to clear all that, but basically I'll actually bring my lines back up because I was probably had a little jump here. I got a little wave here. All right. People are like, well, how do you see these lines? Well, like I said, you know, anytime that you've been studying and, you know, learning the markets, zones and things like that for over 3 years, you know, stuff, you know, you start to be able to eyeball it, right, in a sense. And again, you know, for just educational purposes, you know, and I know how the stream gets on Facebook. I may not be able to back test and kind of show everything, but for a quick second, as you can kind of see how this level right here was a ceiling at one time, meaning that, you know, the market respected this as a ceiling. So it did not push through a few times. It respected that zone. And basically what I do is I like to go back in the past and see if that comes up again, right? And guess what? We see it, right? It came up again. Like, let's look at this. This is back in August 2019, right? This is last year, right? It was still respecting these zones, right? You know, so that then confirms, and hey, I could probably go back further. Let's see if it respected it some more. Let's just see, right? Let me see what I got. Oh, just going back in time. Back in 2018, okay. Oh, 2018, let's see. Oh, January 2018, boom, right? After December 2017, when we hit 20K, hey, we saw it come down. It was a floor at one point. It was a major floor, bounced back up, broke through the floor, retested the zone, and then became that ceiling again, right? Became that ceiling, right? This is 2018, twice in 2018, as well as what happened in 2019, and also right now 2020. So as we look at it, and I'm about to zoom in. So basically what had happened was, right, because my other zone was here. I'm sorry, boom. Get that horizontal. I had another slight zone. Right here. Well, no, this is the right one. Okay. So basically what I did and what I see is I see my zone, right? And I understand it respects this zone. So anytime before I enter a trade, I want to have a confluent, or another term for confirmations, right? Confirmations, right? And I know Josh is on the Zoom as well, so he's probably heard this over and over again. Confirmation is, okay, we see it break the zone. Okay, it broke into my zone. What is it going to do next, right? So my two confirmation is, one, break into the zone and close above my support line, right? So it broke up and it closed above, okay? So that's number one. Number two now is, okay, the next candle, right? The next daily candle needs to open and close above that line as well. So now this closed above the second candle, it confirmed my uptrend, right? So basically, once it confirmed my uptrend, right, confirmed uptrend, I was able to enter the market right here and a buy, right? This is where I entered the market, okay? A trade. This is where I entered the market, okay? And looking at my price range, because based on what price is now, is this current green dotted dot up here. So from here to here, right, we're talking over a $4,000 swing. Gosh almighty, right? $4,000, right? So the beauty of it was that, hey, you don't have to risk $1, right? Some people did risk $1 per move, right? And guess what? They made $4,700, right? Those who risked 10 cents made $470, right? It's crazy. It's crazy, right? Crazy. $470 off a 10-cent trade, right? And that's if you held it this long. Of course, you more than likely wouldn't hold it that long In a sense, because you know your swap fees and all other stuff. Once you understand brokers, you'll understand that. That's included in our education as well. Give me 1 second. Let me check the chat. Right. Woo. Like Josh said. Woo. Right. Turtle money. Right. And we call it turtle money because we understand slow money is better than no money. Right. Right. That's so important. That's so key. So it's important to stay on top of that. Okay. So, any questions in the Facebook chat? I have any questions, comments, concerns? By chance, let me see. Oh, let me see. Cool. All right. All right. So just looking at it real quick, just looking through the Facebook, seeing if anybody got any questions. What's up, Tom? What's up, Chris? What's up, Trent? What's up, Jason? What's up, Scott? Come on, everybody on here. What's up, Willie? Everybody's on. Okay. So I'm talking about. Hopefully y'all learn a little something, right? And like I said, the key thing is to join the VIP Trendz Nation team, right? Set up the plan, get your, studying in, outside of just the Tuesdays and Thursdays, like your schedule. It's almost like online classes for trading, right? That are available for you, right? And it's very cheap, very affordable. So it's important to stay tuned, stay with it, and let's get to the money, right? That's what I just wanted to share today. Coinbase, I love Coinbase too, because anytime, and I actually withdraw most of my money from my trade account into Bitcoin as well. One, because it saves money on the transfer. When you're when you're making a withdrawal, from your account right to your bank account, there's usually a fee that's like $15 or more, depending on your broker, right? But if you're doing it in crypto, guess what? It's usually sometimes like 20 cents, right? The most I've seen like $3, to transfer, and that's the beauty about cryptocurrency. You can move a lot of money very cheap, right? And do it very quickly as well. Where your banks, hey, they're going to charge you a fee for a transfer outside of your account, different things like that, $20, $30 fees, things like that, right? And they're clocking your money. They can hold your money. If you want to go to the bank and get $5,000 worth of cash out, you got to give them a week advance notice to when you want to come get your money. So that's why Bitcoin to me is the future, and Bitcoin is smart money. What I like to call it. Okay, so right, that's simple. But what I do want to look at real quick before I let y'all go, I want to look at that US30 call I called earlier that I put in the chat, and hopefully y'all saw that, jank. I definitely hope y'all saw it. So right, and it may be called the Dow Jones 30 on certain brokers, so be conscious of that also. All right, so this US30 is making its move. This is the daily chart. When I'm trading the US30, because it's so volatile and moves so fast in any direction, I'm usually looking at it on the 30-minute chart. When I'm looking at it in the basically 30-minute daily chart, that represents these candlesticks, which means each candle, that's the duration of the candle. So this means this candle opened and closed in 30 minutes. Whereas on the other chart, daily chart, that means that candle open and closes in a full day, like beginning of the day, end of day, right? That's the full time frame. So basically what I was looking at was this, right? And what I like to call this is my smart money strategy. Again, this isn't something I created, but something I learned from other pro traders. Shout out Damo 30. He's the one that's been putting on, and we've been getting crazy pips, with his trades and signals he gives us as well from the pro traders. But basically, what I saw here, I did see I had a small uptrend right here, right? And when I see a small uptrend, that last up candle before the downtrend begins is where I like to have my zone, okay? I like to have my zone right there, right? So that would be this candle. Let me see if I can vibe out. All right, that would be, give me 1 second. All right, that would be this candle right here, the one that I got my X on, that green candle right there. So I'm gonna put my first line that should have been at the top of it, like the top of the body of the candle. Then I got one at the bottom of the body of the candle, right? So you guys see that, ladies and gents. Hopefully y'all can see that. About to make it a little bit more. Okay, so y'all see the dotted lines, right? So this is my zone, right? So basically what I'm meaning by smart money is that because, you know, we saw the respect there, money's gonna come back to it before it continues to drop. And basically we saw a few entries. We saw it get close to our zone, could have entered right there. That would have been a phenomenal entry point also. You know, if you were watching it, me, a lot of times I'm putting in pending orders because I can't just, I'm not always just looking at my phone. So I would have missed this trade, but look, respect, boom. We actually did get it to do exactly what we wanted, to actually come in the zone, right? And then it did what? Break down to the downside, right? Smart money strategies. When I talk about retrade like the banks, this is what I mean, right? The crazy part is that, like I said, unfortunately, you can't always, you know, find the perfect trade, right? You can't get into every trade. You know, unfortunately, you just can't get into every trade, right? You know, the goal is finding a few trades a day, right? Getting into the right system, into the right habits, right? Where money can find you, because money can't find you if you're not doing income producing activities or IPAs, right? If you're not doing any IPAs, guess what? No money's looking for you. Money can't find you, okay? And money can't find you because you know, you're not putting in the right action and activity to do the right things. Okay, so that's definitely important and always something that we need to be looking for and looking to do. All right, so let me look at that. Let me get back to this phone. Anybody, no questions, comments, concerns? Cool, cool, cool. All right, so I've been in this about 30 minutes. All right, and that was just something major, right? So if you can start just messing around, download tradingview.com. That's free. Go ahead to your app store, find MetaTrader 4, download that app. Don't ask why not MetaTrader 5. We just don't use MetaTrader 5, right? It's no need. It didn't speak of it, right? So MetaTrader 4. And basically, hey, you can start messing around with it, you know. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube. Go back, watch some videos. Definitely go to tradethetrends.com. Feel free to donate, you know, support the team, support the channel, and things like that through donations through PayPal. Definitely appreciate it here at Trendz Nation. You know, so we can continue to, I can continue to give out free material. Of course, again, a lot of people do ask for one-on-one sessions. I am thinking about starting a catalog for one-on-one sessions. It's very difficult because I really don't have time, you know, for additional one-on-one sessions. Like I said, having, you know, 3 kids, a wife, again, full-time job, you know, and I'm serial entrepreneur, you know, I'm into a few different things. Again, when it comes to precious metals, silver has been my latest thing. I got this sweet silver coin. Silver ounce coin on it, man, with these, with the 2 dragons on it, man. This jumps is sweet and got it appraised at a pawn shop. You know, it's official tissue, you know, so when our dollar values go down, silver and gold continue to increase. So that's always important, to exchange a failing fiat for a positive precious metal. You know, keep that in mind as well. And feel free to reach out if you don't know how to purchase silver, right? We can actually, you know, I can actually help you with that as well. Whether you want to do like 1 coin a month, 2, 3, 4 coins a month, right, that you want to save and invest, it's always something key to do it, right? Because everyone needs to find their niche and how they want to start investing and trading, okay? So again, feel free to reach out. You know, if you got any questions, you know, hopefully I can get back to you as soon as possible. But of course, you know, join the team. You know, our VIP, Epic University is just what it is, and that's Epic, right? So definitely get involved, learn the skill set. Let's go in here. Let's make this money. Again, I appreciate everybody who joined in tonight. Again, Thursday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll be right back at it. Feel free to stay posted in the Facebook group because this is going to be recorded. I'm going to put the links in here so you guys can get back to the YouTube, so you can go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for that. Again, I want to see everybody at the top, y'all, because it is the bottom that's way, way too crowded, okay? Enjoy the rest of y'all night, y'all.